Hi Beshi Wap, Riegil here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So for today's video guys, I'll be unboxing another product that has sent to me. So I'm so excited about this because the product that I've got here is from VT Cosmetics, CICA skincare line. So I'm really excited about this product from VTS CICA skincare line. So I'm so excited about that, and karating lang niya ngayon. And ayan na siya guys, nasa akin na siya. I'm so excited, and this is how it looks like. VT Cosmetics Think Your Teeth. Think Your Teeth, yung also dito. So yan guys, if you're interested about this skincare, just keep on watching. And yeah guys, without further ado, let's get on to the video. For anything else, I'll give you a brief description about CICA. So what is a CICA? CICA is Centella Asiatica Extract. It is one type of herb. And when a wounded tiger returns from fierce fighting, the first place they'll visit will be the herbs forest to heal their wounds. So I think this kind of skincare is to those people who have sensitive skin. This is a good product for you guys. So when you open it, this is how it looks like inside. And yun guys, first thing that I'll show you guys is their thank you card. And yan, nakasulat, spoil yourself today, VT Cosmetics. And look at the font and yung ginamit nilang kulay, it's gold. Oh my god, tapos nag-reflect siya. Cute. And also we have here a handwritten letter, and I really appreciate that. Oh my god, ang sweet. Oh, ang sweet niya naman. Oh my god. Thank you po VT Cosmetics for sending me all your products. I really do appreciate it, and I'm sure magugustuhan ko talaga dun lahat. The first thing that I've got here is their CICA Mild Foam Clean Cleanser, and ang laki niya. Oh my gosh. Ang laki niya, girls. Ayan. And also dito, CICA Mild Foam Cleanser, and this is 300 ml. Oh my god, ang laki niya. This is Daily Care Soothing and Deep Cleansing, nakasulat dito. And yun, mostly sa likod are all Korean, translated na siya, so hindi ko siya maiintindihan. But yeah, I think this is a cleanser foam nila, and yun, I'm gonna open it. Laki niya guys, oh, ang laki talaga niya. So this is how it looks like. And yun, I'm gonna try this today. Magwawash muna ako ng mukha, and I'll be back. So yan guys, I'm done cleansing my face, and with this CICA Mild Foam Cleanser, yung smell niya guys, it's good. Amoy tea siya, tea. And ito yung ganito yung pinaka-itsura ng foam niya. And ayan guys, foamy siya. Ayan. So mabango siya guys. Amoy, alam niyo yung minty yung amoy niya, na mabango, hindi siya masakit sa ilong. And as you can see guys, kung makikita niyo mukha ko kanina, super oily, and medyo na mattify niya yung mukha ko. And ang sarap sa feeling, it feels refreshing, and ang bango-bango niya. As while I'm cleansing my face, super daling mag-glide sa mukha, and talagang ang lambot na mukha ko ngayon, and fresh yung naramdaman ko ngayon. Ewan ko, ang fresh ng face ko today. So, titignan ko yung mukha ko sa camera ko. And, oh my god, ang ganda ng mukha ko. So, the next thing that we got here is CICA Smoother, and this is how it looks like guys. So, it has a cooling effect on the skin, which keeps the redness at bay. It can be used as a light moisturizer after cleansing and before makeup. It is a multi-purpose gel which can be used on dry or rough skin, sensitive or irritating skin, skin after shave, and even as a hair gel substitute. So, yeah, and it contains 300 ml, and I think this is their moisturizer. And yun, I'll be using it today. Yun, I'm kind of excited. has cooling effect. May cooling effect on skin, which keeps the redness at bay. So, oh my god, let's try this out. So, ayan, katulad lang din siya nung foam. I'm gonna try it now. So, this is how it looks like, guys. Green siya, kasi nga green yung, ayan. Nasa kamay ko pa lang, ang lamig niya nasa mukha, sa kamay. So, ang bango niya, guys. And ang bilis niya ma-absorb sa aking face. Okay, okay. So what I feel right now is I really felt the cooling effect. Yun, na-feel ko yung cooling effect niya. And lightweight siya, guys. Hindi siya ganun kabigat sa mukha. Hindi katulad ng mga ibang moisturizer na ganito yung base. Ewan ko, ang bilis niya ma-absorb ng skin ko. Na-absorb agad siya. And yun, medyo basa pa siya ngayon. Pero ang sarap niya sa face. Oh my gosh. Ayan, so medyo na-absorb na siya na skin ko. And yun, na-feel ko yung cooling effect niya, guys. And ayun yung gusto ko. Medyo nararamdaman ko yung cooling effect niya. And I love the product. Lightweight lang siya. Pero medyo malagkit lang siya. So sabi dito, pwede siyang hair gel substitute. So kaya siguro medyo malagkit siya sa feeling. Pero okay lang kasi feel ko din naman na na-absorb siya ng skin ko. Pero, while I'm touching it, medyo malagkit. Ayan. 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 Medyo lang naman. Hindi naman sobrang lagkit. So, that's fine with me. And yeah. It feels refreshing and nakaka-relax yung amoy ng mga products nila, guys. Ito pa lang yung nagagamit ko, pero nakifeel ko ng ang relaxing and refreshing nila sa face. So, for the next product, I'll be using their CICA Tone Up Mask. And yes, gagamitin ko siya today, guys. Tone Up Mask, this is how it looks like. And Synergy Effect CICA Mask that provide tone up effect for dark and dull skin. Delivers energy to sensitive skin, helping skin to look brighter and transparent. So, meron ako ditong 6 na mask. And yeah, I'll be using it today yung isa. So, this is how it looks like, the actual mask, guys. And, yeah. Yung nasa loob pala niya yung white, guys. It is the soft cream-like formulation that easily absorbs into skin. I'm gonna put it all over around my nose and everything. Stretchable siya. Oh my god. Totoo ba itong makikita? So, magta-timer lang ako ng 20 minutes, guys. And I'll wait it sa aking skin. And I'll be back. Tatanggalin ko na siya sa skin. Pero ngayon, guys, nafe-feel ko super ang lamig niya sa mukha, na-refresh yung mukha ko. Tapos, dito sa pinakaloob, guys, ang dami pang kulay puti, yung cream. Ayan, guys, oh. And, ilagay ko siya sa aking katawan. Kasi sayang, di ba? Gamitin natin siya sa katawan natin para pati katawan natin maganda. And yun, sabi din na maganda siya sa mga sensitive yung skin, kagaya ko. Medyo sensitive kasi yung skin ko. Wala. Yun. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys. So, tapos na yung mask natin. And mukha akong puwet dito. So, yan. Tapos na po ang mask sa ating face. And medyo nag-brighten yung skin ko. Ayan. And yun, yung mga natirang excess cream dito, nilagay ko siya sa mga parts na kailangan ko lagyan. Kasi nga, the formula of this, guys, it's so nice. And it's so good. Tapos, kung makikita nyo, medyo nag-brighten up yung skin ko. Mapapansin nyo, guys, ha? Kasi ako napansin ko. And look at the dewiness. Super mukhang tag doon. Mukhang ang what do you call that? Super healthy ng skin ko pagkatapos ko gamitin itong mask na to. Ayan. Oh my God. Next thing that I'm going to try it out is this one. Naka-box pa siya. Mukhang mamahalin. So, yun. I'm gonna open the box. Oh my God, girl. May pa ganun effect na nangyari. Oh my God, mukha siyang mamahalin. And this is their CICA Hydration Essence. And ayan po yung itsura niya, guys. It's so luxurious. And kung mapapansin nyo, ano siya, guys, bottle. Kaya siguro naka-box din siya kasi nga bottle yung pinaka-packaging niya. An hydrating and soothing essence that keeps your skin moisturized while still protecting it. This is 15 ml in a green bottle with a built-in pump. And ayun, may pump siya. So, ayan. So, glass siya, guys, as in. Ayan. So, i-shake ko lang siya konti. So, yun, maglalagay na tayo. Ito yun na naman yung aking face. So, maglalagay. Oops! Ayan. Ayan yung itsura niya, guys. Maglalagay pa tayo. Mga 2 pumps. Medyo light lang yung amoy niya. Papunta na sa wala siyang amoy. Pero, konti lang yung amoy niya. Then, amoy fresh and herby scent siya. Which is, pareho silang mga herby yung amoy. Amoy herbs talaga. So, I'm just gonna put that on my skin. Ayan. Amoy herb talaga. Oh my gosh. So, ayan. It's so lightweight in my face and super na ma-moisturize niya. I love it. Oh my gosh. Don't forget our neck, of course. CICA cream, ito po yung itsura niya, guys. This is how it looks like. It is a cream. And, mag-ilang ml to. Walang nakasulat kung ilang ml. But, ito yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan. Medyo, alam mo yung sa Colgate, ganun yung lalagyanan niya. So, ayan po, napadami siya. And, lagay na lang po natin siya sa ating skin. Okay, for the smell, guys, same smell. It's so refreshing and amoy herb. And yung feeling niya, guys. Kung dito, guys, medyo lightweight siya. Ito naman, medyo lightweight na papunta na siya sa medyo mabigat kasi nga cream siya. Pero maganda yung pagkabigat niya kasi maganda yung pagkabigat ng product na to. So, ayan na, guys. Tapos na tayo mag-review. And ito na yung last thing na meron tayo. So, ito na po yung face ko, guys. After all of the products that I've used. Kayo na humusga kung may nagbago kasi feeling ko may nagbago. Medyo nag-brighten up yung skin ko and it looks so healthier than kanina. And yun. Overall, I love all the packaging. Overall, lahat naman nagustuhan ko kasi ginagawa naman nila yung dapat nilang gawin and yung pinaka-effect. Maganda naman sa skin and I think it is all safe and mababango nila. I love how natural it is and Yun guys, if interested kayo sa CICA skincare line, I'll be putting it in the description box below. All the references, all the infos about them, and check them out guys. And yun guys, I really love the product and ayun yung skin ko. Oh my god, ang glowy ng skin ko. Oh my god. How to achieve glowy skin. This is it guys. If you're looking for it, this is it. Boom. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the post notification bell and comment down below para ma-shoutout ko kayo. And yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!